Hey there! Thank you for clicking on this video. This video has been inspired by the Rosetta Stone Spanish Travel Unit Lesson 1, Destinations. Now let's go over some key Spanish travel vocabulary taken from an actual Rosetta Stone lesson. You'll find these phrases are useful in any Spanish-speaking country you visit, whether you're planning a trip to Spain, Mexico, or Argentina. Here are some popular locations and words for them in Spanish. Una oficina de correos, un hotel, un banco, un museo, un café, una biblioteca, un teatro, un estadio, una gasolinera. Here are a few examples of how you might use these locations in a sentence. Voy al hotel. Voy al hotel. Él va al banco. Él va al banco. Ellos van al museo. Ellos van al museo. La mujer va a la oficina de correos. La mujer va a la oficina de correos. La gente está parada en el estadio. La gente está parada en el estadio. El hombre está trabajando en la gasolinera. El hombre está trabajando en la gasolinera. Now let's discuss two relevant scenarios. In this first scenario, we will only use usted, which is the formal way to address someone. Let's say you're checking in at a hotel. Here's what you'll need to say. Hola, ¿cómo le puedo ayudar? Hello, how can I help you? Hola, me gustaría registrarme, por favor. Hello, I would like to check in, please. ¿Tiene una reservación? Do you have a reservation? Sí, mi reservación está a nombre de René. Yes, my reservation is under the name René. ¿Me podría dar su identificación o pasaporte y una tarjeta de crédito, por favor? Could I please have your ID or passport and a credit card, please? Sí. Aquí tiene. Yes, here you go. Gracias, esta es su llave y su habitación es la 102. Thank you. This is your key. Your room number is 102. Necesito una llave extra para la habitación, por favor. I need an extra room key, please. Aquí tiene. ¿Necesita algo más? El desayuno está incluido, ¿verdad? Breakfast is included, isn't it? Sí, se sirve todos los días de 7:30 a 10:30 en el restaurante. Yes, it's served every day from 7:30 to 10:30 in the restaurant. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. De nada, que tenga una buena estancia. You're welcome. Have a good stay. In this next scenario, we will use tú, which is the informal way to address someone. Say you're at a coffee shop and you want to order some coffee. Here are some popular types of coffee. Un café negro, black coffee. Un café espresso, un espresso, or un café solo, an espresso. Un café con leche, coffee with milk. Un café latte, un latte, a latte. Un café cappuccino, un cappuccino, cappuccino. Un café helado, un café frío, iced coffee. Un café descafeinado, decaf coffee. Here's what you'll need to say. Buenos días, ¿estás listo para ordenar? Good morning, are you ready to order? Hola, me gustaría un café, por favor. Hello, I would like to have a coffee, please. Claro, ¿qué clase de café? Of course. What kind of coffee? Quiero un café con leche, por favor. I want a coffee with milk, please. Muy bien. ¿Quieres azúcar con tu café? Okay. Do you want sugar with your coffee? Sí, por favor. 2 cucharadas de azúcar. Yes, please. 2 teaspoons of sugar. ¿Para tomar aquí o para llevar? For here or to go? Para llevar, por favor. To go, please. Aquí tienes. Here you go. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. I really hope you found this useful and that you can use this to check in or order some coffee next time you're in a Spanish-speaking country. Now here's a fun homework assignment for you. There are 4 lessons within the travel unit on the Rosetta Stone app. Complete all 4 lessons this week and then let me know how you did in the comments below. If you still don't have Rosetta Stone, go to www.rosettastone.com or download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And stay tuned for the next video because I will be going through the 9 types of Spanish pronouns you'll encounter in everyday conversations. Así que suscríbete y nos vemos en el próximo. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.